at this. How epic's this spot? Wow. So we just climbed up this rock. It's the sickest view. All I want to do is get a fishing rod in the water, eh? Alright, so old mate just dropped us off on this island. Just as I was getting my fishing rod ready, he's like, next stop. So we just got here. Look how epic this place is, dude. We're gonna get the seagull in the sky, have a look from up there, and go for a swim. Who knows, this is sick.
How many lives does it take to realize what's going on? How many years have gone by? When will I reach the finish line? Does it ever end? Is there some reason to all of this?
I'm gonna scope out where I can troll from as he drives to the next island, because I'm that keen to cook up a fish somewhere. This is the back of the boat. This is me. Sit here, bust out my little lure. Look at the captain's seat. This boat is sick. This boat's so noisy. Don't even care right now. Look at this. Stopped at like the 5th island for the day and got me little weapon. I'm gonna get out here and see if we can get something for lunch. I just want to catch anything and cook it on the beach. That'd be so good. So that's what we're gonna try to do. Whew, how sick is this little boat? That's what I need, man. Look at this thing. What a pearl. Ooh, ooh. Oh no! Oh, how cool is this? Woo! Man, this is a paradise. These things are absolutely everywhere, man. Long Tom, look at the teeth on this. Look at those pincers, mate. They will destroy any bait fish. Everywhere. See you later, buddy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Pencil mouth. Ow! Some seriously sharp rocks here. I got no shoes on again. Alright, so today has turned into a full-on fishing mission now. We're supposed to just do a little boat cruise, island hop around this new island we've landed on. And I'm like, nah, today's turned into a fishing mission. All I want to do now is get a fish, start a fire and cook it for lunch. I refuse. And if everything goes not to plan, I'm gonna eat one of those Long Tom. I've never eaten one before. I think they're like 1-star eating, I don't know. But a couple of them on the fire, maybe in a banana leaf. Woo! Doesn't sound too bad at all. Oh my God, this is hard fishing, proper hard, but this place is so bloody beautiful. Look at this. Not a person in sight. Man. Wow. Oh, I'm not going to give up. We are going to get something to cook. Maybe. Oh, that's a fish. What? Barracuda, boy. Look at that thing. Little barracuda. You're kidding me. You know what? How's the teeth on these things? Look at the teeth on him. All right. So this is a barracuda. Tiny little baby barracuda. In Australia, people put them back. They stink. They're slimy. In Indonesia, people actually eat these. So you know what? That's gonna go on the fire. I'm gonna try barracuda for the first time. Wonder what that tastes like. I know the Indos eat them all the time, so let's see how this little fella tastes. Woo! Oh, that was the best. I just took that little barracuda back to the boat, and all the Indo boys that are sitting on the boat are just like, yeah, buddy! And I'm like, man, these fish in Australia stinks. No one eats these. And they're asking if they can have it. Like, can we have it for dinner? Such legends. So I'm gonna shoot back up there, see if I can get something else. If I can get like a little trevally, even another barracuda, just so we can have a proper feed on the fire. That's gonna be joy. So heading back up the coast now, see if we can get one more fish, and then we're gonna go back to the mainland, cook up a feed, and see how that barracuda actually tastes, because right now it's on the boat and it is stinking. So I'm excited. So many bloody starfish here. No luck on the second walk, but that's all good. We've got a stinky little barracuda in the boat. I'm gonna troll this lure the whole way back to where we jumped on the boat. And then we're gonna get off there, jump on our scooter, go find a beach, start a fire, cook up this smelly little barracuda, and see how it tastes, because everyone says barracuda tastes like shit. But I've never tried it for myself, so I'm not gonna say that until I actually try it. You never know, we might get something on the way home. Who knows? All right, so we've just come in off the boat. Didn't get any fish trolling, but that's all good. We still got little barracuda. And now we found this. We found a couple of banana leaves in the middle of a rubbish tip. And this is what we're gonna cook our fish in. It's by far our favorite way of eating fish. And it's perfect. Woo, it's getting real right now, guys. Over there is a big ass rainstorm coming. So we're like, go, 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 get a fire going, get the fish on the fire before this rain comes. I don't even know if we're gonna make that. Mucky's covering up our bike and all of our gear. We have found a magical little place to start the fire though. We're gonna start the fire with the cover of that tree for the wind. Look at that, that's magic. Except for these rain clouds. A little bit of rain, so I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna get fuel out of the bike. if I can. No way, it's like empty. Oh, the things you do to make a fire. A bit more. Mate, look.
Oh, that's fine.
That's going to be our ignition because everything's wet. Alright, this is how we get fire started in Indo. Oh man, that's going to go up with a bang. Ready? Yeah! Look at that! Alright, here's our lovely barracuda. Scaled, gutted. So now what we're going to do, let's get our banana leaves. You just want to cut them off the stem. And then we're just going to wrap him up. Alright, so this fire should be pretty good now. Just going to sit him there. That's slowly going to cook away. Excited?
I'm so hungry.
This is going to taste that good. I'm going to go for a swim, it's so hot. It is unbelievably beautiful right now. Full on glass off. There is not a breath of wind. And these clouds are just hovering over us. It hasn't rained yet, thank God. So sick. So this fish has been on for about 20 minutes maybe. 20 minutes?
I think so. Should be ready.
And I think it's going to be that good. Barracuda. Oh my God, look at that. That is cooked to perfection. All right. Moment of truth. Wow, that's so hot. All right, big smelly barracuda.
Oh, it's yum.
Oh my God.
That's delicious.
Whoever says barracuda isn't good eating, whatever, mate. This is amazing. So white. It's good, huh? Honestly, this barracuda is not bad at all.
I love it.
That was such an unexpected day. We were supposed to do just a little boat trip, and then we ended up catching and cooking a fish on the beach. It's what we love anyway. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.
Yo!